My account's been hacked. What do I do? Oh my God! First, let's go into what it means when one of your accounts is hacked. It means an unauthorized user has gained access by signing in with your username and password. How does this happen? If you use an easy password like password or 123456 or use the same password for multiple accounts, bad guys can easily guess your password. Since data breaches happen all the time, many of your usernames and passwords are up for sale on the internet. If you use the same username and password from an account that has been breached, the hackers will have access to any of those accounts that use those same credentials. Now, if this happens to you, the first thing you need to do is sign into your account and change your password. Once the password is changed, anyone that had access to your email will need to know the new password. Most accounts and email providers offer an additional layer of protection by giving the option to enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication means you will have to know the sign-in information as well as have access to the phone listed on the account, where you will receive a text message with a prompt or another code to gain access. This concludes our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.